My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I am going to be doing a voiceover get ready with me video because I'm going to be getting ready to film another video for my Made with Love by Glama channel. I'm going to film a crochet channel. I'm going to film a crochet tutorial. I'm going to teach my viewers a new stitch. It's been 4 months since I picked up a crochet hook, so I thought it was about time. I'm slowly getting my crochet groove back. So I'm going to film for that channel here in a minute, so I thought I would do a intro for that channel. I usually don't do a full face intro. I usually just start off with the camera on my hands, but because it's been 4 months, I thought I would put some makeup on and do a full face intro for Made with Love by Glama. But I'm going to do a voiceover when I'm actually doing the eye look. And the reason I'm doing this particular makeup look is because I posted a picture a couple days ago of the makeup of the day that I was wearing that day, and I posted it on Instagram and Facebook. And I had a few people ask me on Instagram, hey, could you make a video on that look? I love it. And then on Facebook, I had people complimenting this eyeshadow look, saying that it went really well with my eyes and my skin color. So I thought, well, shoot, yes, I will do that. So I hope you enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, have fun. Okay, so to get started, we're going to start with e.l.f. eyelid primer, and we are just going to put that all over our eyelid where we are going to be applying our eyeshadow. And now we're just going to blend it in with our ring finger till it's nicely blended. There we go. Aw, see, my eye keeps watering. I have dry eye in that eye. How sad. Okay, now we're going to get started with my Profusion Nude palette that I got from Five Below. I love that store. Start off with this color all over the eyelid, all the way up to the brow bone. Now we're going to start off with this pinky color right here, and I'm going to put that on the eyelid up to the crease line. Now we're going to go with this darker shade, kind of a purple plum color, and we're going to put that in the crease line. I'm going to put it right above the first color just so that it kind of deepens it up a little bit. So like I said, I'm going to put it in the crease line, and I believe here in a little bit I'm going to bring it down to the lash line as well, kind of creating a long V. And now I'm going to fill in that V on the outer corner just to give it more depth. And now with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to barely touch the outer edge of that shadow and blend it in really well. Okay, now I'm going to take this darker color here and I'm going to put that in the crease line to deepen it even more and to kind of contour my eyelid a little bit, just kind of making it look like they're a little bit more sunken in than they really are. And I'm putting that on the outer V right now and the lash line, and then I'm going to go up into the crease line. Yeah, See, by putting it right there, darkening it up, it kind of makes your eyelids look a little more hollow, like you've got more depth to them. And now I'm just going to continue blending it out. The key to a good eyeshadow look is blending, blending, blending. And I still need practice at blending, but I do the best that I can. Here I'm just grabbing a fan brush and I'm going to dust off the fallout from the eyeshadow. Now if you don't want a smoky eye, you can just stop here and not put any eyeshadow on your lower lash line, but I'm going to go ahead and grab that first color that we used and I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line to give it a smoky eye look. And I start off with the lighter shade and work my way to the third darker shade. Here's the second shade. And I kind of blend it upwards to meet the top lid shadow. And now the third shade, I'm going to do the same thing with that. Put it on my lower lid, on the outer corner mostly. I'm going to focus mostly on that outer corner. I didn't used to do this, putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line, till just about 2 or 3 months ago. Just learned how to do this. I love it. Now I'm going to take this color and I'm going to put it under my eyebrows on the brow bone to kind of highlight it and kind of lift my eye a bit and to give it a little shimmer. I love shimmer. And I tried it on the inner corner, but it didn't show very well, so I think I'm going to probably grab my Carly Bible palette here in a minute. Yep, I did. And I'm going to be blending two colors, that one and that lower highlighter. And I'm going to just use both of them for the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, that shows a lot better. I like that so much. I love the Carly Bible palette. Now I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics gel eyeliner in the color Lily. So pretty. And I'm going to take this angled eyeliner brush and just really soak it up. I really have to get a bunch of it in order for it to show up because the eyeshadow is so dark. And it's very subtle. It doesn't show much, but it just, instead of using black eyeliner, I thought I would use this because, like I said, it is subtle, but yet it deepens up the purple of the eyeshadow and I like how it looks. See, the more you work with it, the deeper the color gets, and it's so pretty. I do apologize, but here I'm putting it on my lower lash line as well. There, I think I just realized that y'all couldn't see, so I lifted myself up a bit so you could see me better. And now I'm going to be using this purple NYX eyeliner. It's called Glam Purple Violet Glamour, and it has a bit of a shimmer to it. It's got a little bit of glitter in it, so I just wanted to deepen up that gel eyeliner and give it a little sparkle. So I'm going to be putting that on my top lid with the wing. Okay, so now I'm going in with Total Intensity by Prestige, and it's in the color Blackest Black, and it's an eye pencil, and I'm going to be putting that on my top tight line, on the outer corner as well as the inner corner, and now down on my bottom waterline. And I like to kind of push down on the outer corner of my waterline just to get it to go onto my skin a little bit so that it gives it more of a smoky eye look. When I get to the middle and the inner corner, I go a little lighter with it. And I think I want it a little deeper down onto my skin there. And now I'm going back in with the second and third eyeshadow color and deepening up the lower lash line. And now I'm just going to go in with some mascara on my lower lashes. And I think I just realized that I didn't show y'all what kind of mascara I was using. So there I am showing you the package. And I'm only doing the bottom lashes like I said, because I'm going to be using falsies on my top lashes. So here it is, Voluminous False Fiber Lashes, and it's by L'Oreal. I like how it came out. Okay, now on to falsies. And I'm using this Strip Lash Adhesive. It's a brush-on adhesive that I really, really like. I got it at Walmart, and there they are. They're on. What a difference lashes make. Now I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel lip liner in the color Tiramisu, and I'm going to line my lips, and I'm also going to fill them in. I love this color. Now on to the top lips. I have to overline on one side of my lips because one side is a lot thinner than the other. And now on to a lip stain. It's by Manna Kadar, and I love this color, and I think it's in the color Shea, S-H-A-E, I believe. I love this neutral lip. Since I don't have purple lip gloss or purple lipstick, I thought I would just stick with a neutral color. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and yeah, it's soft, it's subtle, and I like it. And just in case you were wondering, I am dressed. You see, I just have a tank top on here. I just have it a little low because I don't want to get makeup all over it. But I am going to go ahead and get dressed, and I'm going to film for my Made with Love by Glama channel. Now I'm going to do a crochet stitch over there. So if y'all are interested in learning how to crochet, go and join me over there. I teach you step by step how to crochet. It's so relaxing, so relaxing. That's what I love about it. It just, your mind just drifts, and you can solve a lot of problems while you're crocheting because you're, you know, busy just relaxing and thinking about it, and ideas just kind of pop up into my mind when I'm crocheting because I'm so relaxed. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed out of this tank top and put on some real clothes and I'll come back and say goodbye to you. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay, I went from one tank top to another. This one's a crochet tank top, but anyway, the other one was my blue really long nightshirt tank top, so I changed out of that and threw on another cuter tank top, more feminine tank top. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for requesting it on Instagram, and yeah, I had a lot of fun recreating it for you. And I think my next video on this channel is probably going to be the Carly Bible inspiration look that I showed y'all last week. So I'm going to try to remember everything that I used for that one. My eye just won't stop watering throughout the whole video. As you saw, I kept pointing to my eye because this eye has always watered, and it's because I have dry eye. Go figure, right? Your eye waters because you have dry eye, according to the ophthalmologist. But anyway, I had a lot of fun making this video for you, so please let me know down below what you think about it. Let me know if there's a color scheme that you would like me to try to film for you, or if you find a picture of an eye look or a lip look or something that you would like me to try to recreate. Just let me know. You can either upload the picture to my Glam It Up with Glama Facebook channel, and I will do my best to recreate it. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye-bye. Mwah.
watching our Glama's channel.